In the name of Allah Almighty, Assalamu alaikum ma'am, my name is Ali Sama and I am gonna to present the topic of body dysmorphic disorder. It is a personality disorder uh, and it is a mental illness characterized by obsessive focus on a perceived flaw in appearance. It is very common in USA. More than 3 million cases per year occurs in the USA of body dysmorphic disorder. The treatment can help manage condition, no knows about the cures, and it does not require a lab test or imaging. Cannot last several years or be a life long threatening. It increase the it may increase the likelihood from due to family history. The outlines of my presentation is introduction, signs and symptoms, DSM-5 criteria, causes, risk factor, complications, treatment, and prevalence in Pakistan. Introduction. Body dysmorphic disorder, it is a mental health disorder in which you cannot stop thinking, in this picture. It is a man which do not stop thinking about the hairstyle and about his face. uh, One or more perceived defect or flaws in your appearance. He or she cannot stop thinking, and a flaw that appear minor or cannot be seen by others. Signs and symptoms. Being extremely preoccupied or anxiety with a perceived flaw in appearance that to others cannot be seen or appears as a minor. Strong beliefs that you have a defect in your appearance that make you ugly. It says some people's faith is his appearance is not a good. Believe that other takes special notice of your appearance in talking. If someone talking or he takes classes or his scheduling in other places, he noticed that because he noticed that someone takes special notice of his or her appearance, engaging in behavior aimed at fixing or hiding the perceived flaw that are difficult to resist or control, such as frequently checking the mirror, grooming, or skin picking. Uh, Attempting to hide perceived flaw with styling, makeup, or clothes, and constantly comparing your appearance with other people, frequently seeking reassurance about your appearance from others, having perfectionist tendencies, seeking cosmetic procedure with little satisfaction, avoiding social situations, and uh, he or she can um, he or can she is avoiding social events and photos, seeking verbal reassurance and restrictive eating, or enhancing eating, anxiety and depression, compulsive behavior, and he or she avoiding social events, social events and behaviors, and it causes maybe a preoccupation with your appearance, and excessive thoughts and repetition behavior can be unwanted, difficult to control, and so time consuming that they can cause mirror distress or problems in your social life. work, school, or other areas of functioning. You may excessively focus over one or more parts of your body. The features that you focus on may change over time. The most common feature of people tend to fixate about includes uh, face such as noise, complex wrinkles, acne, and other blemish, and other blemish, skin and vein appearance, breast size, muscle size, and tone. It may include environmental factors, genetic disorder, or having mental disorder like perfectionism, uh, depressions, or anxiety may include in the causes of the body dysmorphic disorder. And now I explain the DSM-5 criteria for BBD. The DSM-5 include a few changes with regard to body dysmorphic disorder diagnostic criteria. The criteria for BBD include preoccupation with one or more perceived defects or flaws in appearance that are not observable or appear slight to others. DSM-5 diagnosed criteria additionally feature a new added criteria that at some point during the disorder the person has performed repetitive behavior, mirror checking, grooming, or mental acts comparing appearance to others. Someone he or she appears more good than me, or other, or their appearance concerns. The DSM-5 criteria also include a specified for muscle dysmorphic subtype of BBD. Causes of this, it is not now specifically what cause body dysmorphic disorder. Like many other mental health conditions, body dysmorphic disorder may result from a combination of it, such as a family history of the disorder, abnormalities in the brain, a negative evolution, or experiences about your body or self image. Someone says he or she cannot perform well, and he not able to perform well in every field, or excessive self-awareness, and it causes low self-esteem or high self-esteem. Risk factors, also causes which also causes of the body dysmorphic disorder. Certain factors seem to increase the risk of developing or triggering body dysmorphic disorder. Having blood relatives with the body dysmorphic disorder or obsessive compulsory disorder, or disorder and negative life experience such as childhood teasing, neglect, or abuse. Certain personality traits such as perfectionism, social pressure, or exception of beauty. Someone thoughts that he is he has not much beauty. He or she cannot seem much beautiful. Having another mental health conditions such as anxiety or depression. Complications: major depression or other mood disorder, suicidal thought or behavior, uh, anxiety disorders including social anxiety disorder. Social phobia means the fear of people, or social uh, obsessive compulsive disorder. Eating disorder means that someone eats excessively or restricted the eating. Substance misuse, health problems from behavior such as skin picking, physical pain, or risk of disfigurement due to repeated surgical and interventions. Now I am suggest the uh, treatments according to DSM-5 criteria. Cognitive behavior therapy for body dysmorphic disorder focus on helping you learn how negative thoughts, emotional reactions, and behaviors maintain problems over time. Challenging automatic negative thoughts about your body image and learning more flexible ways of thinking, learning alternate ways to handle large and rattles to help reduce mirror checking and reassurance seeking, and the medication is the treatment can be handled through the medications or self-care. Medication in the medication antidepressants, it is a family of treat medication for the depressions, for the men with the depression, such as a selective serotonin reuptake inhibitor of help with the symptoms of depression, and the fluoxetine, it is a family it is from the family of the antidepressants and depressants, and it is helpful for the medication for the treatment of the people's which have body dysmorphic disorder. uh, Self-care, avoid alcohols and drugs, help manage negative uh, helps as they way worsen symptoms. Be active means perform exercise and engaging in physical activity reduce the body dysmorphic disorder. Prevalence in Pakistan, it is a study in the Karachi University of Medical, in which he checked the gender difference and prevalence in Pakistan medical student population. Out of 156 students which take part in this journal or study research, and he studied that 57.1% were female. A total of the 78.8% of the students reported dissatisfaction with some aspect of their appearance, and 5.8% met the DSM-4 criteria of body dysmorphic disorder. The male to female ratio of BBD was 1.7, regarding gender difference in body of key of concerns. The top three reported body of concerns in male students were head hair 34.3%, and being fat 32.8%. The skin is 40.9 and nose is 40.9. It dysmorphic body dysmorphic disorder according to the face, nose, and skin, whereas in females they were being fed 40.4% skin, teeth 80%. Female were significantly more concerned about being fat, probably 0.05, and male students were significantly more concerned about the being thin, probability is 0.01, and about head hair probability is 0.012. It is a analytical graph of the study, which is I previous seen. uh, the foci of concern and the responses frequency. The foci of the blue is for males and females is red. So you can see the percent fat uh, anxiety in female is more, and the head hair in the males more according the study, and the other as well. As you can see, fat, thin is male is uh, the figure of thin in male is more than females, and head hair is also in the males, and the skin is female skin about darkness or white in the females, the skin color, and the nose in males is high, and teeth in the female is high, and the short is uh, high in males than female. Focus of concerns. Thank you. Allah Hafiz, ma'am.